To open Microsoft Excel, simply go down to your Windows button. You should be able to go to Programs. It may also say Student Menu if you're in my class. You're going to look for Excel. You should find it. It should say Excel 2016. Simply click on it and it will open. The other way you could open it would be to type in here and simply type EXCEL, and you'll see it should pop up on your search. Click on it. And then what I would recommend doing so that you can find it very easily each day is come down here to the bottom of your taskbar, right click on the Excel icon and pin to taskbar. That way it will be there each and every day you come into class or that you use the program. We look around here. This is called the recent screen. Simply says recent here. On your home computer at work is going to show you items that you have recently worked on. There'll be recent Excel spreadsheets that you've used. On our school computers, this may not be available. You may see just an empty pane over here. We're simply going to click on a blank workbook to get started. But these are available templates that you can use for different things. You got calendars, charts, student schedules, invoices, household monthly budgets, all kinds of things to get you started. Loan amortization schedules. All kinds of cool stuff. But click on blank workbook. When you open the Excel screen, it's going to look like this. It looks like a bunch of little rectangles on your screen, but these are called cells. So the intersection of A and 1, that would be A1, your cell. But let's look up here at the top. Let's get familiar with what we're looking at. So the title bar up here is Book 1 Excel. So it'll tell you the name of your spreadsheet or your workbook. It'll tell you what program you're working in. You have a close button. You have a maximize button or restore down button. You have a minimize button. You have a ribbon display option, so you can hide this ribbon or have it pop up whenever you need it. We have the quick access toolbar over here. This is the save button. So by default, you have the save button, the undo button, the redo button, and then we can also customize a quick access toolbar. So we can add maybe new. It'll give us a new workbook. We can do open. We're just going to add a few to it. We could also, we'll get into this later, but we could also go to more commands and we'll open a dialog box where we can add even more items. And then if you hover over each one of your commands on your ribbon, so it goes to the home ribbon, hover over each one, it gives you a description of what each command does. And sometimes it'll even give you a shortcut, a keyboard shortcut. Keyboard shortcuts are great to use. If you get to know them, even just basic ones like copy and paste, will save you a ton of time. We can also navigate, let's see. I think that's going to be it for this video.